In this video, we're diving into the client settings dialog. You can access this from the settings gear icon in the top header bar on desktop or from the settings sheet on mobile. This dialog is your central hub for all client-facing automation and policies. It's organized into several tabs. On the email and SMS tabs, you can enable and customize the automated confirmation messages that go out for new bookings. You can use placeholders like client name or management link to personalize your messages, or give access to your clients to manage their appointment from the notification you send them. The Reminders tab lets you set up multiple automated reminders that can be sent via SMS, email, or both at specific times before an appointment, like 24 hours or 1 hour beforehand. The Rescheduling and Cancellation tabs are where you set your self-service policies. You can choose to allow clients to reschedule or cancel their own appointments through a secure management link. You can also define the time window for these actions. For example, not allowing cancellations within 2 hours of an appointment. Here you can also customize the specific SMS notifications that are sent out when a client cancels or reschedules. Taking the time to configure these settings will save you countless hours by automating communication and empowering your clients. Please make sure you understand the SMS segments count by clicking here. Since SMS sending is an expensive feature, we have provided a limited number of SMS segments free of charge to you. You can purchase additional segments when you run out of them by going to the subscription page. We recommend you practice keeping messages short to keep the cost low. However, if you do run out of number of available free segments, you can always purchase more for that specific billing period.